Hello everybody, welcome back to Cinnamon English. Today we're looking at Phonics Pupil Book 1 by Jolly Phonics. So this is a great book. I use it all the time here in Japan, both with my students and with my own children. So each page introduces a sound. There are 42 sounds in total. So the first sound is S. We have a picture of a snake. We have the action, so in this case for S, it's a snake action like that. And then we have, then the student will write S, 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 S. Do that twice. And then we have 4 pictures. So 3 of the pictures will have the S, 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 S sound, and 1 will not. So we have sun. Does it have a S, 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 S sound? Yes. Snail. Does it have a S, 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 S sound? Yes. Spider. Does it have a S, 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 S sound? Yes. And flower. Does it have a S, 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 S sound? No. So the students will cross out flower. Normally they would circle these other ones. Circle. And then we have our sound S. At the moment, just the sound. Next letter A. Ant. A, 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 a. Then we review. A, s, a, s, a, s, a, s, a, s. Spider. Does it have an A sound? No. We cross it out. Then arrow and apple are all okay. We circle those. And again, no word yet, but here we get to our third sound, T. And we can already write 2 words. We have at, and at, sat. We get to I, and we can start writing it, sit, as well as at and sat. Now, I have a video on the Phonics Word Bank by Jolly Phonics, their word bank, and I recommend you have a look at that too. You can print that off for free and it'll really help with this. So it teaches a lot of vocabulary as they go through. So even just with a few letters, they can write a lot of words. Now as we go on, it gets a little bit harder. So here we have double sounds. This sound is ow, so 2 letters sounds. So ow. Over here we have oi. So you can see the words are getting a little bit longer. Here we have cloud and things like that. Now, one of the problems with this book is that sometimes the pictures aren't very clear. So here we have the oi sound, and we have a kettle. What's this? The word is actually boil. So the water inside the kettle is boiling. So that's quite difficult if you're not a native speaker. So because of that, I've written an answer sheet. So if you go to my blog, I'll put a link below. You can go to the answer sheet, and if you're having any trouble with this book, hopefully that will be able to help you. So it goes through the 42 sounds. Later on, they start writing some of the words out. There's just a couple of pages where they do writing like this. So you have mixer, queen, chin, they'll write ant, sun. Again, here's a difficult word. We have wood, wood. And we have a few tricky words in there as well, sight words or tricky words in here. And that's about it really. It's quite a simple book. Each page only takes about 5 minutes to do. They can colour the pictures when they're finished. And the students really like it. It's quite a quick and easy way to teach the 42 sounds. They'll do this, and then later on they'll have to learn some alternative spellings. So there's more than one way to make a sound in English, but this is a really good start for the basic 42 sounds. It teaches it in 7 sets. So the first set is Satapin. Again, I wish that they'd maybe color-coded it, because when you go through you don't know what set you're on. If I just open it here, G. Now there's nothing here to tell me which set it is. So I'd have to check back here and it's set 3. But I wish they'd sort of color-coded it and numbered the lessons, but that's just a small thing. Price-wise, this is actually a very cheap book for the amount that it delivers. It's very good on its cost performance. It's probably, depending on where you are in the world, it's probably less than $10 US. For me, I bought them at about, I think, less than 1,000 yen in Japan, which is around that $10 mark. So price-wise, it's very good. I really recommend it. That's about all there is to say. So if you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have any comments, please write them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you. Have a great day. Goodbye.